Y'all, I'm fixing to make y'all some summertime skewers that if you're going out on the boat, you can put this in the cooler and have it just ready to eat, or by the pool, or just by yourself. But with the hot weather, this will be just so refreshing. All right, now what I'm doing is I'm measuring out 1/2 cup of balsamic vinegar. And I'm gonna make a reduction of this, and it'll become like a balsamic syrup. All right, that's 1/2 cup of balsamic and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So you're gonna need a real small saucepan for this. And I got about the smallest one. Somebody's calling us. All right, so we're gonna cook this over medium-high heat for 6, 7, 8, 9 minutes. What we want it to do, y'all, is reduce by half. And the only way you can get that to happen is cook it. Cook it down. And you'll want to stir this frequently until the sugar is well dissolved. And like I said, it's reduced by half. And like I said, it'll maybe take about 10 minutes. But if you do not want to make your balsamic glaze, you can buy it at the grocery store already done. But I just wanted to share with y'all how simple it is to make that balsamic reduction. It's good. It's really good. But this is my favorite. So there we go. And so
That's the hardest part of the recipe.
Yep, this is the hardest part right here. But we're making this to drizzle over skewers that have watermelon, cheese, basil leaves.
Strawberries.
Yes, strawberries. I couldn't remember what else. But just a perfect summertime snack. And if you're got children that you're feeding, they might like the balsamic syrup or they might not. So you want to put your balsamic syrup on them as you're getting ready to eat them. You don't want to do it ahead of time. So look at our balsamic that we reduced. It's like syrup, but I'm gonna have to wash my hands. All right, so I went ahead and did these, and like I said, this is so simple. And you can definitely swap your fruits around for the ones that you really, really like. So start with a watermelon and a basil leaf. And the big ones, I just kind of fold over like that. And then a piece of fresh mozzarella. And then a strawberry. So what kind of fruits do you think y'all would like?
Cantaloupe would be good.
Cantaloupe, yes, and honeydew would be delicious, wouldn't it, Eddie? Would be delicious. All right, another piece of basil. And I think I did right. Listen to Lulu snoring. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. So there you go, real easy. Now you don't want to dress these until you're ready to eat. So this is the way I would serve them. Kind of something like that with some crackers. And like I said, just you would have your balsamic vinegar reduction on your tray. So those that didn't want it would not have to use it. Look how thick this is. Whoa. Mm. Mm. It's delicious. Mm. That is so thick, Teresa. And I don't think we reduced it by half. Maybe we did.
It didn't look like it, but I don't think you have to reduce it as long as you think you do.
Mm-hmm. I don't think so either. So late in the afternoon, if you and your friends are sitting around having a glass of wine, this is a great little hors d'oeuvre to go along with your glass of wine. Mm. Mm. It's like eating a fruit salad on a stick. Y'all enjoy, and like I said, put it together any way you want to do it, because it's all about your tongue. Love and best dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.